You ever heard the adage, if it ain't broke, don't fix it? Yeah, I should have lived by that. And now I'm gonna pay the price. There's your boy out here trying to upgrade the trolling motor and failed spectacularly.
Played myself yet again, trying to do an upgrade and rip the connector off the board. This goes here. And I don't know if I can put it back. I might have to replace this entire board. That sucks. Can't go fishing either. That doesn't look like something I can solder to. I think I'm screwed. Open to suggestions.
Pulling up at the U-Break iFix. See if they can bail me out. Since I pulled off one of the connectors. See if they can solder it back on. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to replace the whole board. I know. Congratulations. I played myself yet again. Wish me luck. They're gonna try and fix it for me. They're gonna give it a shot. It'll be a day or two though. Well, a little less than half the cost of replacing the board. So if they can fix it, that'll be cool. We'll see. Hopefully they can. I can get back on the water because your boy is stranded. I'm stuck. No trolling motor. I can't do anything. Can't do anything.